estimating system has changed the game.
That's what evolutionized the technology in every body shop. Be ahead of the game and let people know that we have the ability to do that now. It's available for everybody. Make it a lot easier for our customers to get their estimate on hand. They don't have to go to a shop, they don't have to go to the insurance company, they don't have to go to the insurance company shops, they don't have to waste their time, they don't have to do any of these delays. If the accident happened today, then right away today they can press on our button and get the estimate done within a few minutes. All we need is
To upload 3 pictures
PIN number and you have it in your hands.
from the comfort of your home. It's so easy. Just hit the send button and receive your online estimate within minutes.
Very convenient for everybody, including the insurance companies. They love to have paperwork, photos, estimate on hand, ASAP.